everybody, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my another layover vlog, and I am in Paris right now. This is going to be a very short day out in Paris. I might look very energetic, but after doing red eye flight, I only wanted to sleep. But Paris आप एक layover में नहीं घूम सकते.
Just one last glance before saying goodbye.
We were total 4 people. That's why we booked Uber instead of going through metro. Metro से जाना एक अलग ही struggle हो जाता है. To our surprise, we had Tesla for today's ride. It's quite funny. It took me a while to realize that I'm sitting in Tesla because I was busy in filming. And later, when I saw car steering, I was like, damn, I'm in Tesla.
It sounds like Camul, huh? Your language. Is it Camul?
It's Hindi.
Took us almost 1 hour to reach to our destination, but I was not complaining because I was loving the ride. Our cab driver dropped us very far from the destination because according to him the roads were blocked, so we had to climb all the way up. The place where we were going, that was actually located at the hilltop, and that makes it the highest natural point in this Paris city, and that is why all this climbing was going on. I mean, climbing all these stairs would have not been that difficult, but that day it was because we had not slept enough. ऊपर जाके we needed a break of water and snacks to restore our energy while complaining our job to give us lower back pain and leg pain in our mid-20s. Climbing was not enough. We had to walk at least 900 meter again in order to see the architecture where we were going, and finally we saw it. But seeing monument and actually reaching there has a quite distance. After reaching to the point, I saw there was huge crowd and we were questioning why. Then we realized, okay, today is Sunday. I hate doing this, but we had to break the queue and going inside earlier than other people, because अगर हम wait करते तो हम नहीं देख पाते, and we had only one day. Place where I am right now is known as Sacré-Cœur, which is located in Montmartre in Paris city. This is a Catholic church, and this place is very famous for the hilltop location, and you get to see the panoramic view of entire Paris city, as you can see here. This place was actually very beautiful and could have been the best idea if we were not visiting it on Sunday. But anyway, अगर हम आ ही गए हैं तो enjoy तो करना बनता है. But crowd देख के I was like, I cannot stay here any longer because इतनी ज़्यादा suffocating थी वो crowd. I cannot even tell you all. As far as I understand, this is the hangout place for French people. They just come here, sit and have their wine with their loved ones, and that's how they spend their weekends here. I was complaining for climbing those 222 stairs. Then I realized when I saw this view that this is why this is the highest point. Actually, you can see the whole Paris, and that was it. After that, we left that place and we literally had to hold each other's hand because it was like कुंभ का मेला. मुझे मेरे क्रू नहीं दिख रहे थे because of crowd. मेरा हमेशा से एक सपना था कि मैं पेरिस के एक सुंदर से बिस्तरों में बैठ के कॉफी एक क्रॉसॉ खा रही हूँ, बट मेरा ये सपना बहुत बुरी तरीके से टूटा because of cultural difference and cultural shock. We selected this place to go, and there was happy hour going on where you can select your pizza and any drink of your choice. We decided not to have drinks and only pizza, so we didn't go for the happy hour thing. We just wanted to have a pizza. We were 4 people. We wanted to order 2 pizza, but our server literally denied us to serve only 2 pizza for 4 people. He said, if you guys are not taking any drink, I'm not serving you all, and that was very bad and rude for us. But then I realized that everybody at that bistro were having drinks, and for them having drink is very common. If you're not taking it, you are not giving any benefit to them. So we had to go for croissant and ice cream, and that's how I filled my stomach because honestly it was really bad experience. After that, my crew wanted to go to Eiffel Tower, but I had already been there, so I wanted to go to hotel and relax. Now this is the first time I was traveling alone in any foreign country metro station, and I was very nervous because of language barrier. People do not understand, and if they are not able to understand what you are asking, they will simply deny. मैंने Google Maps से stations के नाम याद करे मुझे जहाँ जहाँ उतरना है, and I followed that. Initially it was difficult, but when I was following the sign, it went better. There I found the whole wall with Indian goddess and god, and I was very shocked to see that. But it was literally Ma Durga, Ganesh Ji, Shiv Ji. It was really nice to see. I was like, God is with me, and I will reach my hotel safely. It's actually very sad that even after roaming around the countries, I still need people with me for transport because I'm very scared to travel alone, and I really need to work on that. But this time it was really good feeling. It was like an achievement for me. I reached my hotel. It was nearby to the airport, and I was very happy. And that's how my Paris layover went. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and see you all in next vlog. Bye bye.